Futuristic Apple design studio with holographic car concepts. Engineers use AR, VR to sculpt the vehicle's design. Panning shots of the car's sleek aluminum unibody frame. Inspired by MacBook Pro and iPhone edges. Precision CNC machining, robotic arms laser cutting metal. Seamless unibody construction with zero visible gaps. Advanced Battery Lab, Apple engineers experiment. Solid-state batteries, graphene layering, thermal management. Close-up shots of futuristic battery cells being assembled. Robotic microarms, glowing blue energy cores. High-tech testing chambers ensure battery safety. Autonomous driving sensors integrated flush into the body. LiDAR embedded under the glass, invisible cameras. Microchips designed by the Apple Silicon team. Custom Apple Drive OS interface on a panoramic screen. Smooth animations, glowing icons, minimal UI. Futuristic Apple factory, white, polished floors. Fully automated assembly lines, synchronized robots. Robots assemble the car with extreme precision. Car body attached to solid-state battery packs. Doors aligning automatically with a soft click. The Apple logo lights up elegantly. Apple Robotic Factory assembling electric vehicle. CNC machining aluminum unibody frame. Apple Design Studio, white minimal space, AR holograms. Futuristic designers sculpting a car inspired by iPhone. Advanced Solid-State Battery Research Lab. Glowing energy cells, robotic microassembly. AI-powered sensor integration lab, LiDAR, under glass. Autonomous driving simulations, optical testing. Cinematic reveal, Apple car driving through smart city. Neon reflections, glossy paint, ultra-smooth motion. 8K cinematic camera tracking, Apple-style ambient music.